Hey guys, welcome back on What You See is What You Get challenge. Today we are going to make a radio button. Okay, let's get started without wasting a time. Create a folder under component, name it a checkable, create a index.js file, and make it a recognitive functional component. Okay, let's start. So first of all, what we need? We need a pressable. Okay, pressable is here. So our next step is to make it like a look like a switch. Add some style, make a background color red, so we will fix that later. And going to app.js, importing a checkbox. Where is checkable? Okay, let's import it. There we go. Let's use. There you go. So now what do we need to make it? We have to make it look like a switch. So for that, add some padding. Okay, padding. Go to paddings 20. Seems good. Too good. Okay, so let's create another thing which is a tip or a handle. Give it a some style. Height, go for a 20 now. Also width, go for a 20 more again, and give it a background color. Okay, go for a green. Looks cool. So for this, what we're going to do, assign a min width. Let's say 20%. Looks cool. So let it know justify content, center, and align items. Go for a flex start. Okay, looks cool. And assign some border radius. Okay, format, assign some border radius. Go for a 20. Looks cool. Seems like padding is too much. So what we can go for max height, go for 25. Looks cool. So let's move to the handle thing. Okay, so for this, let's add a border radius, scale 10. Okay, go for a 20 in that case. Looks cool. We are almost there. Let's make it a checkable. Use state checked is equals to false. By default is going to be a unchecked. Okay. Use state, create a function const toggle and pass the toggle function to on press event. Super. So now what we have to do, we just have to revert the current state. Looks cool. On state change, what we have to do, we have to bring this at this end. So let's see, if checked, then flex end, otherwise flex start. Okay, let's check. Okay, seems good. So let's make some UI changes so it will look like real checkbox. Okay, almost there. Seems good. Okay, we have done, almost done. Let's go to the app.js and add some padding vertical. Scale, we don't have a scale. Okay, super. There you go.